It's your girl Elise Amari. First and foremost, I really just want to thank God. I'm a work in progress. I don't want to toot my horn, but toot. Man, it's gonna piss me off, man. Stick! Just stick! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash out. I know it's, oh my God. You know what? Ow! I just burnt myself. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Elise Amari. Y'all certified yapper dapper do. If you know me, hey. If you don't, welcome. In this video today, as you think by the title, your girl got 100 subscribers. Woo, freaking woo. I'm so happy, you know. First and foremost, I really just want to thank God. I want to thank everybody that's supporting me, my day oneers that supported me. And I just want to even thank the newcomers that are here, to give me a chance at this YouTube, to give me a chance at this content creator lifestyle. That's very, very considerate of all y'all to sit up here and give me 100 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. Yeah, but don't think I didn't peep how out of all the 32 videos I posted, my brother seems to get the 1.2k views. What's up with that? Do y'all like me or do y'all like my brother? Which one is it? Let me know. Nah, JK though, I'm really excited, really happy about this new journey. Is it a new journey? Or is it just will you shut up? Stop trying to sound so inspirational. It's starting to piss me and my homegirls off. And girl, you don't even got no homegirls. Let's celebrate a little bit, you know? I got a chocolate cake because they didn't have no cheesecakes. I'm like, Publix, y'all got one job. Really, just be the clean version of Walmart. What? You know what I mean? There's no absolutely way that y'all don't have cheesecake. Are you serious? It's September and it's storm season, but it's looking like outside right now. So after I get done with this, I'm going to watch Twilight. If you know, you know. Team Jacob? No. Team Edward? Yes. I honestly can't see myself from over here, so if there's anything on me that looks weird or off, just mind your business, okay? I'm a work in progress. Low key, the smell of this chocolate cake is kind of making me want to gag. And before you ask, yes, I'm on my cycle again. It's just every time I'm filming, y'all, I just happen to be on that hoe. I should probably be careful with opening this because it's wax, right? Right. By the way, y'all girl's a little jewelry ambassador. I don't know. I don't want to toot my horn, but toot. You know, the jewelry I wear every single day. I got this. I purchased this jewelry in the summertime, and it's September. Has yet to tarnish. Has yet to turn my neck green, and I'm used to these green necklaces and these green earlobes. But with Cute Creations, I don't get that. Use my code Elise001 to get a couple dollars off your purchase. Go ahead and get that jewelry now. Okay, you're not sticking in the cake very well. Okay. Girl, just do your job and stick. Why do you wanna... Man, it's gonna piss me off, man. Honest question, why is this low-key kind of hard to open? You think this would be a little easier? Why am I getting cardboard? And why am I saying a lot? This is a filler word. Y'all, I just got out of biology class. It's a 3-hour lecture class. When I seen that stuff, I'm trying not to cuss. When I seen that, I was like, bruh, nigga, what can you possibly talk about in 3 hours, gang? You could talk about a lot. But it honestly wasn't that bad. You could tell, when we're actually learning stuff, it won't be that bad. But, puñeta, 3 horas? I'm crazy. Just stick. Just stick. Oh my God, you finna piss me off. Just do your job and be a candle. I'm done for getting a slanted cake. Why did I get a slanted cake? Freaking dodo bird, and yet you mad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash out. Where's the other 0? Oh, there you go, right here. Ah! Bro, I'm gonna crash. I'm already crashing out, bro. Oh my gosh. Man. Man, that zero is pissing me off, bro. Like, why are you get up. You're embarrassing yourself. Or at least maybe you're embarrassing yourself. Like, you're screaming at a wax. What do you call this? I mean, I know it's, oh my God. You know what? You hoes be tripping. This cake looks so bad. Cause of me, not cause of the baker. Not that y'all were thinking that. Man, y'all finna throw me, man. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, why this won't stick? Y'all, what's the trick? Am I doing this wrong? Did I get the wrong ones? A hundo. Man. Ooh, I'm scared. Don't burn me. Don't burn me. Why is it not lighting? What? Why is this hard? Ow! I just burnt myself. Why is that hot? Yay, I'm not picking this up. So who came up with the rule that you can't say your wishes out loud? I'm gonna say my wish out loud. So, I wish that I gain a lot more subscribers. I become certified and modified on YouTube. I become the best content creator in the world. I become well known in the YouTube industry or the content industry. And I just grow my follower count, grow my subscriber count, and that I remain that girl. La la la. Congrats on 100 subscribers, Elise. Thank you. You're welcome. Yay. All right, I gotta go do some homework. Like, comment, and subscribe. And tell your friends and your other friends and the friends that's friends with the friend and friend and friend and friend. And just go ahead and subscribe, because this is where it's at. The entertainment is here. I hate to toot my own horn, but toot, motherfucking toot.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.